how to use clickbank.com easy tutorial. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video we're going to introduce you to clickbank.com, which is an online platform that facilitates the sale and purchase of digital products such as ebooks and software. It connects product creators, vendors with affiliate marketers who promote and sell the products to customers. ClickBank handles payment processing and tracks affiliate sales, providing a marketplace for vendors to reach a wider audience and for affiliates to earn commissions on successful sales. So let's dive into it, guys, and let's see how this platform works. So this is the main page of our platform. Here we have the home, the affiliates. As you can see, affiliate overview, media buyers, email marketers, getting started on ClickBank, and so on. Here we have the sellers, seller solutions, seller resources, seller guides, and here we have the learn section. Getting started, if you want to get started with the platform, affiliate training, learn directly from ClickBank experts how to make your first $2,000 as an affiliate, ClickBank top offers, affiliate marketing events, affiliate marketing glossary, and here we have the support, login, and the start here button. So let's hit start here to create our account. We wait for it to load, and here let's customize your ClickBank experience. Please select the primary reason you're signing up for an account below, or skip the quick start guide. We have a variety of options. I am new to all of this and not sure where to start. I want to promote ClickBank products as an affiliate. I have a product I want to sell on ClickBank. I'm just creating a new nickname, so let's go with the B option. Then let's make sure we get started. Do you have experience promoting offers as an affiliate? If yes, you hit yes. If no, you say no. So I'm going to go with yes. I have promoted non-ClickBank offers before. Which best describes you? How much did you made in a year in commissions? What type of products do you want to promote? So we have a variety of options here. Let's see e-business and e-marketing. You can please select all that apply to you. I have an email list larger than 10k subscribers. I spend over $2k a day on media buying advertising. I see over 5k visits a day from organic search to my site. None of this apply to me. Okay. What is the biggest factor motivating you to explore affiliate marketing? Earn extra income. Do you currently have a traffic or an audience to promote to? No, I don't have a consistent traffic source. How do you plan on generating traffic? So let's go with Pinterest. Select all of the ClickBank tools you would be interested in using. Page builder, funnel builder, email marketing tool, and let's say okay. How did you hear about ClickBank? From a friend. Okay, so let's give them our email address. Submit. Based on your answers, if you want to make your first $2,000 as an affiliate marketer in as little as 90 days, we highly recommend you start with these 3 simple steps used by nearly every successful affiliate on ClickBank in this training video. So if you want to watch the video, you click watch the video. And from the video you will be able to learn how you can promote or make $2K in less than 90 days from this video. So we don't want to watch it now. Let's go back. Let's click again start here to create our account. So we wait for it to load. Let's skip this and let's proceed to creating our account. So let's fill all these fields, our country, so you select your country and you give them your first name, your last name, and your phone number, your email address, and you create a password. And then you can continue to terms and condition if you want to read them. So you continue to terms and condition. After you check them, you read and agree to the terms and conditions, and then you hit join ClickBank. So I think guys it's pretty clear how you can create your account using in this platform. As you can see, you can change the language also if you don't understand English. So I think the process is very easy. So let's go back to the home page. Let's click affiliates here and let's see the affiliate overview. Quality products, high commissions, reliable payments. How we help you earn reliable payments, top performance offers, high quality products, training and education. So guys, the platform is pretty easy. You can just handle it as fine. So that's it for today's video. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel and share the video with your friends.